Welcome to Sagada, a hidden gem in the Philippines. Today, we are going to take you on an adventure to discover one of Sagada's best-kept secrets, Bomod-ok Falls. As we trek through the lush green forest, we can feel the cool breeze and hear the symphony of nature's sounds. The anticipation builds as we come closer to our destination. And there it is, Bomod-ok Falls, standing tall and proud. The sheer power and beauty of the cascading water leaves you in awe. The crystal-clear pool at the base of the falls beckons us to take a refreshing dip. As we plunge into the cool water, we are reminded of the beauty of nature and its ability to rejuvenate our souls. Not only is Bomod-ok Falls a sight to behold, but it also holds great significance to the locals. It is believed that the water here has healing properties, a source of spiritual cleansing. We can't help but marvel at the untouched beauty of this hidden gem. The tranquility and serenity of Bomod-ok Falls make it a perfect escape from the bustling city life. So, if you're seeking an off-the-beaten-path adventure, head to Sagada and uncover the wonders of Bomod-ok Falls. Trust us, it's a journey you won't regret. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Sagada's hidden gem, Bomod-ok Falls. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our future adventures. Until next time.